जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद। श्री श्री चैतन्य चरितामृतम आदि लीला चैप्टर 13 टेक्स्ट नंबर 80 द एडवेंट ऑफ लॉर्ड श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु। चौदह शत छय सके शेष माघ मासे जगन्नाथ सचिर देहे कृष्णेरा प्रवेशे 1406 सके शेष माघ मासे जगन्नाथ सचिर देह कृष्णेर प्रवेशे 1406 सके शेष माघ मासे जगन्नाथ सचिर देह कृष्णेर प्रवेशे 1406 सके शेष माघ मासे जगन्नाथ सचिर देह कृष्णेर प्रवेशे 1406 सचिर देह कृष्णेर प्रवेशे चौदह शत छय सके शेष माघ मासे जगन्नाथ सचिर देह कृष्णेर प्रवेशे 1406 सके शेष माघ मासे जगन्नाथ सचिर देह कृष्णेर प्रवेशे 1406 सके शेष माघ मासे जगन्नाथ सचिर देह कृष्णेर प्रवेशे 1406 सके शेष माघ मासे जगन्नाथ सचिर देह कृष्णेर प्रवेशे 1406 सके शेष माघ मासे जगन्नाथ सचिर देह कृष्णेर प्रवेशे 1406 1406 शेष माघ मासे कृष्णाथ 1400 छाया 6 Sake in the year of the Sak era. Sesa lost. Magha Magh Mase in the month. Jagannatha of Jagannath Misra. Sachira and of Sachi Devi. Dehe in the body. Krishnera of Lord Krishna. Pravese by the entrance. Translation. In the month of January in the year 1406 of the Saka era, AD 1485, Lord Krishna entered the bodies of both Jagannath Misra and Sachi. Please repeat. In the month of January in the year 1406 of the Saka era, AD 1485, Lord Krishna entered the bodies of both Jagannath Misra and Sachi. Purport by His Divine Grace Sri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took his birth in the year of 1407 Sak era, AD 1486, in the month of Falgun. But here we see that he entered the body of his parents in the year of 1406, in the month of Magh. Therefore, the Lord entered in the body of his parents 13 full months before his birth. Generally, a common child remains within the womb of his mother for 10 lunar months. But here we see that the Lord remained within the body of his mother for 13 months. Om Ajnanam Timirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshulmitamena Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Asthapitam Yena Bhutale Swamarupa Mahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Uttapad Kamalam Sri Guruna Vaishavansya Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sri Visakhanvitansya He Krishna Karuna Sindho Dinabandho Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Brinda Baneswari Vrishabhana Sute Devi Pranamami Haripriye Vancha Kalpatarubhyasya Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna. Rupanagwa Prabhu, can you come near? My voice is not very loud. Come here near, nobody will eat you. Come near with devotees. We are all here vegetarian. Sit here. There you okay, don't come here. Thank you. Hare Krishna. So, we are going to celebrate Lord Chaitanya's appearance day on 3rd March. Therefore, we started pastimes of Lord Chaitanya from yesterday. Yes, Rupa? from yesterday. So Chaitanya, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami describes there are two regions of appearance of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. First is the external region, second is confidential region. External region, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami describes Lord started thinking in his eternal abode, Golok Dham, since long time I have not given love of Krishna. Krishna Prem, especially Braj Bhakti, devotional service which Brajvasis performed. So he started thinking, and in this mood, he himself wanted to come to distribute, because without him nobody can distribute. It is Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami writes in Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela, verse number 4, Anarpit charim chirat karunaya avtirnav kalau samar paitum unnat ujjal rasam so bhaktim sriyam. Anarpit means he has not given since long time. Chirat means since long time. He has not given his loving devotional service, which is performed by Brajvasis. And चिरकाल नाही करे भक्ति प्रेम भक्ति दान. प्रेम भक्ति बिना जीवर नाही अवस्थान. So he is thinking, since long time I have not preached cult of pure devotional service. Without pure devotional service, living entity will not survive. They will not be happy. Chirad adattam nij gupta vittam. Chirad adattam. He has not given since long time. Nij gupta vittam. This pure devotional service which Brajvasis, Vrindavan Vasis performed is very gupta vittam. Gupta means, what do you say? Confidential. Vitt means wealth. So, pure devotional service, loving devotional service is confidential wealth of Krishna. So, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is external region, he appeared to distribute his own prem love by chanting the holy name of Krishna. By chanting and by preaching the holy name of Krishna. That is his external region. And also therefore, he started devotional service, he started to preach devotional service from Dasharas. There are 5 mellow. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Santaras, he keep aside. He started preaching from Dasharas, Sakhyaras, Vasalyaras and Madhuryaras. Dasharas means servitude, Vasal means parentalhood, and then Sakhyaras and conjugal love. This is all external region. Now, in chapter 4th, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, he describes confidential region. So there is 3 confidential regions. First is, Srila Prabhupada writes, the first purpose was to release the position of Srimati Radharani, who is the prime reciprocator of the transcendental love of Sri Krishna. Lord Krishna is the reservoir of all transcendental loving transaction with Srimati Radharani. The subject of those loving transactions is Lord himself, and Radharani is the object. Thus the object, the Lord wanted to release the loving mellow in the position of the object of Radharani. So, Lord Krishna himself, he wanted to understand the position of Radharani. Therefore, he accepted the form of Srimati Radharani, color of Srimati Radharani, and mood of Srimati Radharani. He appeared to relish. Second reason, his appearance was to understand the transcendental Melo. First, he wanted to understand position of Radharani. Second, he wanted to understand transcendental Melo. Lord Krishna is all sweetness. Radharani's attraction for Krishna is sublime. And to experience the attraction and understand the transcendental sweetness of himself, he accepted the mentality of Radharani. To understand how Radharani is relishing, so he had to accept the mentality of Radharani. Radharani is pure devotee of Krishna. He is called Bhakti Devi. No one can compare in devotional service with Radharani. So, Krishna cannot understand mood of devotee because he is God. So, in order to understand the mood of devotee, he became devotee, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And third reason is that Lord Chaitanya appeared was to enjoy the bliss tasted by Radharani. When Radharani is performing devotional service, Krishna is thinking, he is relishing, he is more happier than me. Therefore, service is greater than Krishna. Service controls Krishna. Service means devotional service. Service, devotional service, greater than Krishna. Devotional service controls Krishna. Krishna is called controller, but he is controlled by pure devotional service. Srila Rupa Goswami writes in Nectar of Devotion, Pritva Hari Prema Bhajam Priya Varga Samanitvam Bhakti Basi Karot Krishna Sri Krishna Akarsanichara. Krishna controlled by his devotees always. Why devotees? Because devotee performs devotional service. So this is the reason very nicely described in 4th chapter. Now we are going to discuss from this verse. Here we can see, Lord, there is no combination. There is no question of discharge of the semen. Explaining here, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami described Jagannatha Sachir Dehe Krishnera Pravese. When time came for appearance of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Krishna entered in the body of Jagannath and his wife Sachi Devi. So there is no physical relation. There is no discharge of semen, just like ordinary children take birth. No, not like this. We should understand this point. Even when Krishna appeared as the son of Devaki Vasudeva, it was the same thing. And same thing here. मिश्र कहे सचिर स्थाने देखी अंत रीति. मिश्र कहे सचिर स्थाने देखी आन रीत्य. ज्योतिर्मय देहगण लक्ष्मीर अधिष्ठित. Jagannath Mishra said to Sachi Mata, I see wonderful things. Your body is effulgent. And it appears as if the goddess of fortune were now staying personally in my home. When Krishna entered in the body of Sachi Mata and Jagannath, they are all completely effulgent. There is change. Present time, our body's color according to our modes of material nature. Somebody, if in the modes of goodness, his color will be different, his nature will be different, his speech will be different, his action will be different. Someone in the modes of passion, he will be very passionate. Rajo Rajatmikam Vidhi Tishna Vidhi Samadbhuvam. Somebody in the modes of passion, he develops Tishna, he is hankering. He is very thirsty for material things. Therefore, day and night he works very hard. Those who are ignorant, there is no question. They sleep, So point is, in the condition state, our action, our color, everything according to modes of material nature. We feel our very dull, very morose, unhappiness, only due to the modes of material nature. But here Sachi Mata and Jagannath Mishra, they are not, they are in Suddha Sattva, in pure goodness. Otherwise Krishna cannot appear. Krishna appears somebody if in the pure goodness, not even in goodness. Goodness means you can perform peacefully devotional service, happily devotional service. In goodness, you feel, okay, whatever I am getting little things, that is very important for me. I will not become very greedy for money. So peacefully you will be happy. After all, people eat how much? 200 gram, 300 gram. If big eater like Rupanuga might half kg. But they feel I eat only 200 grams and I need only a small place for staying, maybe one bedroom, either if brahmachari, one bed I need 3.5 feet. So why I work hard very hard? Why I work very hard? Better I work very hard for Krishna consciousness, to serve Krishna. Is not Krishna conscious person never become lazy. Never. They are very active. They are more active than materialistic person. They are more active. So therefore, they are in the modes of goodness. They perform peacefully devotional service. Especially those who are not cultivating modes of goodness, they are not fit candidate to stay in the ashram. Because they will not be peaceful. They will be unhappy always and create disturbance. Because they will not get up early in the morning, they will not chant round. And when they come, they disappear like you. They will disappear. They will not chant with devotees. So, but here, pure goodness, we can relate with Krishna in pure goodness. So by performing devotional service in due course of time, even we cross the modes of goodness. We come in the pure goodness. That time we can relate with Krishna as a friend, as parent, as a lover. So here they are the eternal associates of Krishna. They are in pure goodness. That's why Krishna appeared in his body. As soon as Krishna appeared, his body color was different, very effulgent. Very effulgent. He is telling, I am seeing you, you are like goddess of fortune. You are looking completely different. Of course, we also, when we put tilak, we are beginners, we don't know. We don't know anything. But still when we put tilak, neck beads, dhoti kurta, completely our face becomes different. Yes or not? Completely. What about a person who carries always Krishna in his mind? Krishna Surya Sam Maya Hai Andhakar, Jaha Krishna Taha Maya Nahi Adhikar. Krishna is like a sun, Maya is like ignorance. As soon as Krishna will appear in our mind, we will become free from ignorance. Therefore, Manmana Bhava, Madbhakto, Madhyajim Mam Namasko. We should always think about Krishna. Always try to think. Somebody was asking question yesterday. Prabhu, somebody discussing with me, we have to love, we should develop attachment with Guru Maharaj. We always love Guru Maharaj. I told that is wrong. We follow the instruction of a spiritual master, think about Krishna, develop love with Krishna. That is our philosophy. Not we think, always thinking about Guru Maharaj. No, we think, meditate on the instruction of Guru Maharaj. And think about Krishna. You never been anywhere, he always think about Guru Maharaj. No. Guru Maharaj is a teacher. He is teaching how to chant the holy name of Krishna, how to hear about Krishna, how to remember Krishna. And attachment should be developed with Krishna, asakti. Krishna said, Maya sakta manaprartha yogam yunjan madasaya. How you develop attachment to me, please hear from me. When you develop attachment with Krishna, then at next stage automatically will start developing love. And when you starting only developing attachment with the Guru Maharaj, and we love Guru Maharaj, then there is very great disturbance. There will be great disturbance. So we should always read Srila Prabhupada's books, the scriptures, then we will be on right path. तो here यहाँ तहान सर्व लोग करे सम्मान घरे पठैया देह धान वस्त्र दान. Here Jagannath Mishra, as soon as when I understand, I saw Krishna enter in our body. Anywhere I am going, people are honoring me, respecting me. People are respecting me. And they send wealth, clothes, and food grains to my house without asking me. Without asking. That is called Krishna conscious. Krishna conscious person, he is not everything available by the mercy of Krishna. Everything. When Nardasi, when he met Mirgari hunter, and he told, break your bow and arrow, throw in the river. He told, how can I maintain ourselves? I am maintaining with bow and arrow, I am killing the animals and selling the meat and skin. So I am maintaining ourselves. How I maintain ourselves? Don't worry. Now you stop eating meat, don't kill the animals, throw your bow and arrow in the Yamuna river. Just go and chant Hare Krishna, worship Tulsi. I will send food to you. As soon as he started chanting Hare Krishna, worshipping Tulsi, all the village people, oh wow, Bihari hunter became a great sadhu, great saint. They are coming to see him with food grains, so many things. So here you can see, as soon as somebody becomes Krishna consciousness, Krishna, always remember Krishna. There is no scarcity for anything. There is no scarcity. Prabhupada gave in his lecture one example. He has so many temples, he told. About that time Prabhupada opened, when he's giving lecture, about 40 temples. And each temple have 3-4 cars. And each temple 20%, 30%, 50 temples devotees is staying. And there is no problem. We are not going to office. We are not going to factory to work like dogs and hogs. We are not going. But everybody well eating. And neighboring people neighbors, they became envious. You people don't go to work. How you are eating? Because Krishna eats, we don't eat, we eat Krishna Prasada. Krishna eats, make sure Krishna eat. When Krishna eats, he left for us, we eat also Krishna Prasada. Krishna must eat lunch. Then for devotee lunch will be there. We know very well. 8:30 breakfast will be there because Krishna has eaten. 1 o'clock Rajbhog Prasad will be there because Krishna has eaten. But we make all the arrangement for Krishna. Therefore we work hard. We only glorify Krishna. We don't go to work. Even we go distribute, it's not working. Book distribution is great pleasure to serve Krishna. So, here explaining, Jagannath person, same personality. When Krishna was not, he did not enter his body, people were not respecting him much. But as soon as Krishna entered in the body, immediately all the people started respecting. Similarly, if we carry Krishna always in our mind, in our heart, we can attract everybody. Attract everybody. That is the position of Uttam Adhikari, first class devotee. Although we are not first class devotee, but we follow the instruction of first class devotee. Srila Prabhupada ji, Uttam Adhikari, we follow his instruction. And then Madhyam Adhikari, they always chant Hare Krishna. ईश्वर तद्धाने सु बाल देश दुशिष्ट प्रेम मैत्री कृपा उपेक्षा सह करोत स मध्यम. So second class devotee, they practice sadhak, they sadhak. They chant Hare Krishna always, they preach Hare Krishna, they serve Hare Krishna all the time. In this way, they are engaged in the service of Krishna. So by their instruction, by their words preaching, they attract people. Kanishta Adhikari, they must follow the instruction of Madhyam Adhikari and Uttam Adhikari. Then they will be able to preach. Otherwise, very, very difficult to survive. सची कहे मुझ देहोन आकाश ऊपरे दिव्य मूर्ति लोक सब हेन स्तुति करे. Sachi Mata now she is expressing her realization. Now I see in the sky, in the night, Divya Murti, divine form, means demigods. Sab, they are always praying me, always offering prayers to me. Sati told her husband, I see wonderful, brilliant human beings appearing in the outer space as if offering prayers. They are all offering prayers. जगन्नाथ मिश्र कहे स्वरूप यते खिल ज्योतिर्मय धाम मोर हृदय बसिल. Jagannath Mishra replied, in a dream I saw that effulgent abode of the Lord enter my heart. He saw a dream. One very abode means dham, abode, where Krishna lives. Enter in the body, because Krishna, when comes somebody's heart, his dham also, his transcendental abode also appears dham. That person is not a mundane person. He is not mundane person. Therefore, Jagannath Mishra, he realized effulgence abode enter in my heart. So there is no difference between Krishna, his transcendental abode, and devotee, whom heart he entered. They are all on same platform. Same platform. Although they are different, Krishna is different, abode is different, devotees are different, but they all became transcendental. Otherwise, how is it possible? अमार हृदय हाइते गेला तुम्हार हृदय हेन बुझे जन्मी बेन कौन महाशय. Now, wonderful how you can understand how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared. He is not ordinary human being. Each verse shows his supreme personality of Godhead. First he entered into my heart. From my heart he was transferred into your heart. Same thing we see in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto. When Lord Krishna, he wanted to appear, he appeared first in the mind of Vasudeva. Sometime heart is also called mind. From the heart or mind of Vasudeva enters in the heart of Devaki. Prabhupada commented there in the purport, that is called process of initiation. When you take initiation, spiritual master's consciousness enters into the consciousness of a disciple. This consciousness comes through disciplic succession. Therefore, Prabhupada writes in Nectar of Instruction, therefore, the spiritual master must be very advanced devotee. Otherwise, there is no progress. The spiritual disciple will not be uplifted. They will not progress. They must be 24 hours, must be engaged in the service of Krishna. That is the called symptom of first class devotee. Those who are first class devotee, they all the time serving Krishna. All the time. All the time. They don't have free time. Once His Holiness Jayadvaita Swami here was giving lecture. He told here in same place, His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj, all the time, if you see him, he has no 1 second. Abhyartha kalatvam. He has no 1 second. All the time, sometimes he's preaching, sometimes he's advising, sometimes he's sorting out problems of devotees, something always doing. And this is true. I never saw Maharaj 1 second free, or not fully question free. He used to calculate 1 second to save, to serve Krishna. Even if meeting maybe 30 minutes, he will say, okay, we can finish 25 minutes. So he want to save 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And he is such active. I remember, the Rukma Prabhu must be remembered. When Maharaj was not sick, about this is about 92 incident. So 92, I think our guest house was ready. Yeah. So Maharaj came 92. He was coming that time twice a year, 90, 89, 90 years. Later on, he started come once, before beginning coming twice a year. So I remember he was 1 week. 1 week I could not sleep. I could not even eat prasadam, and not every day bathroom even. Because anytime he so much appointment, so he told, I want to see this person, all time preaching. That time he was very strong, not sick, so he was going in people's house, people's office to preach. So I was taking him, I was driving also. So as soon as he comes, oh, what is next program? I thought Maharaj is going to take rest. What is next? What is next appointment? Maharaj or Prasad, somebody house fixed. No problem, we go this time. What time Prasadam this time? Okay, 5 minutes, can I take rest? I told, yes, Maharaj. Then he will not take rest. Immediately he will call this louding. Where time has come, where you are? Because I was very new. So when he was taking prasadam, how can I eat in front of Maharaj? So Maharaj was eating prasadam. Then he told, after eating, where is next? Where you go? I told Maharaj, next we are disappointment. So in this way I used to eat only evening time in the temple. So he was such active. And when he became sick, still he was same active. But he was not visiting so many places like before. So point is, those who are first class devotee, Maharaj is perfect example. Perfect example. They have no time. Forget question of gossiping. No, he was since the beginning he joined full time as a GBC. He joined full time as a GBC. And he was GBC of not only whole India under him. Even Giriraj Maharaj was temple president, Maharaj was GBC. Jayapataka Maharaj was a president in Mayapur, Maharaj was GBC. Everyone, but still, up to last time, he left his body at GBC. And I never heard any time he gossiped. No. Manager always has, they have to say something, but he never used to say anything about anybody. And Maharaj used to feel pain. Somebody is criticizing, his body you can see. He may start changing, his feeling pain because this person is criticizing to some devotee. So these things they discuss even in GBC, present time also. It's great example. Great example. So point is devotee means first class devotee. Only those who have no time for anything except serving Krishna, he can remember Krishna. Because we are not Sahajiya. We remember Krishna through service. We remember Krishna through service. There is no difference between Krishna and his service. So we remember Krishna by chanting. We remember Krishna by cleansing the temple room. We remember Krishna by doing arti. We remember Krishna by cooking, by making garland. We remember Krishna by doing food for life, by book distribution, all the through service. Therefore, somebody wants to remember Krishna all the time, he should be engaged in the service of Krishna. We cannot imitate gopis. We cannot imitate Prahlad Maharaj. They are the eternal associates of Krishna. If somebody wants to remember Krishna, he should be always engaged in the service of Krishna, sometime chanting, sometime hearing, sometime preaching, sometime cleansing the temple, sometime cooking, all the time. This is individual responsibility. Individual responsibility. If somebody wants to make advancement, so in this way, because they were Sachi Mata, Jagannath Mishra, they are parcel. Jagannath Mishra is Nanda Baba himself. Nanda Baba. Himself, for him, always he is also thinking about Krishna, always thinking, oh, demon is going to attack. Always sometime doing meeting with all the his Brajbasis. And so many things we can see. Unless that is the meaning of love. Love means service. If you don't have service, there is no question of love. Sometimes devotees say, Prabhupada, no, be practical, do some service. Don't come, I love you. What is the meaning of love? Do some service. Yes, Lavanga Prabhu. ये तो बोली दुन्हे रहे हर्षित हना शालिग्राम सेवा करे विशेष करिया जैसे. After hearing, they used to feel very happy, discussing about Krishna. Same thing. When we discuss about Krishna, it is said, bodhayantam parasparam. In Bhagavad Gita said, machitta madagat prana, bodhayantah parasparam. Bodhayanta means we discuss all the time about Krishna together. All the time. Kathayanti cha mam nityam tusyanti cha ramanta. Kathayanti, we always describe the name, form, quality of Krishna, pastimes of Krishna. Devotee will be very satisfied, happy. They don't go to see any sightseeing, just like I always say, now Easter is coming, Lavanga Prabhu. People has planned, I will go Masai Mara, I will go Mombasa for swimming, for this and that. But devotee has no plan. They have no time to go to Masai Mara, no to go Mombasa or any sightseeing. They don't have plan. I am talking, you can go, I am not refusing you. Because I am talking those who are very advanced devotees, just like His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj. When he came, he was GBC since 1982. And up to last time, he never went to Masai Mara. He never went swimming. I am discussing those who are on the spiritual plate, completely spiritual platform with spiritual master. I am discussing about him. So he never went so many years. And so many sannyasi I took myself to Masai Mara. Although I did not go swimming, but I used Bharat told take them for swimming. He did not go, but he told me, please, once Mombasa, I told, why you are not taking duty for swimming? So take them. But he himself was not going. He was not interested at all. So now Easter is coming. So instead of holidays, doing program in the temple, this and that, so many programs. But no, people are not interested. What can be done? You cannot do anything. Because there is no advancement. तो शालिग्राम सेवा करे विशेष करिया then became very alert. They started serving Saligram. They have Saligram, Sila. So he started serving with great attention. Vishesh Kariya means with great attention. I think time is over, so we can stop here. So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by point is here we heard from Chaitanya Charitamrita how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when Krishna appears, we should not think like ordinary child takes birth, husband and wife, their physical relation, the discharge of the semen, and then wife becomes pregnant. After 9 months, child takes birth. That is not applied with Krishna. Sometimes people say differently, but here Chaitanya Charitamrita, Bhagavatam, all this describes there is no union like this. Krishna himself entered in the body of Jagannath Mishra and Sachi Mata. Later on, verse describes from Jagannath Mishra's heart, Lord was transferred into the heart of Sachi Mata, and their bodies completely became different, very effulgent. All the people started respecting. So this is the way Lord appears. And same way, you want Krishna can appear, our mind should be like Dham, our heart should be Dham. Dham means there is no lust, there is no anger, there is no greed, there is no illusion, no envy at all. Like this, but it is not possible immediately, but we have to cultivate by process of Krishna consciousness. So this should be our goal, because nobody can become Krishna consciousness unless he will become free from all the material consciousness, material, just like dirt, all these things. Then you will remember. It will happen always when performing devotional service with great sincerity, getting up early in the morning, and should not become lazy. If sometime we keep alarm, we stop alarm, sleep. Tell your friend, please, my habit is sleeping more. Please, wake up him. Even you bring 1 glass of water and put on my head. That is called practice. That is called practice. So in this way, we can become Krishna consciousness. We are now going to hear every day Chaitanya Charitamrita up to 3rd. Then we can celebrate Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's appearance with great enthusiasm. In this way, that is very, very important celebration of appearance and disappearance of Krishna. Appearance, not disappearance. So with great enthusiasm, there is so much service, so many things is going to happen. So in this way, our devotional service will become very easy by the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Any question, any comment? Yes?
Hare Krishna Prabhu. You say that you should not go for Masai Mara, and Dr. Mahaprabhu went to Vrindavan forest. He danced with the animals, he sang with the animals, he invited the animals.
Yeah, very good, very good. I did not tell you don't go. I told those who are transcendental personality, first class devotee, Uttam Adhikari, they are not interested. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you can go by your touching, you can touch lion. I started chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, then you can go, imitate Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Don't imitate. If you touch the lion, can you go to touch lion tomorrow and he starts Hare Krishna, chanting Hare Krishna? This means you should not go to forest. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he touched with his feet to lion, he started roaring, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. I told those who are Mahabhagavat, they are not interested. I did not tell you don't go. You go, no problem. You can swim. Swimming is not very bad, but don't swim with a girlfriend, with boyfriend. Go swim with your friend devotees. Any other question? If there is no question, we can stop here. ग्रंथराज श्री चैतन्य चरितामृतम की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद